Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Framer templates for interactive landing pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Framer templates for interactive landing pages, start by navigating to the Framer website. Once there, locate the templates section, usually found in the main menu. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template you are interested in for more details. Review the template features and compatibility options to ensure it meets your requirements. If satisfied, look for a download or get template button on the template page. Click on this button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to sign in or create a Framer account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation or login process. After logging in, return to the template and click the download button again. Choose the file format you prefer if options are available. Once the download begins, wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents if the template is in a zipped format. Open Framer on your computer. Import the downloaded template into Framer by selecting Import from the File menu. Navigate to the location where you saved the template files and select the appropriate one. Once imported, you can now start customizing your interactive landing page. Explore the various components provided in the template to suit your design needs. Finally, save your project and preview your landing page to see the changes in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.